standing orders, I, Josiah Mang'era, duly elected member of the County Assembly of Nyamira, representing Esise Ward, propose to move a motion for the removal of the governor, His Excellency Nyaribo, from office of the county governor, Nyamira County, in the County Assembly of Nyamira. The county government of Nyamira. The motion details the grounds and the particulars is hereby attached. Honorable Speaker, I now wish to give a notice of motion to consider, debate and approve a motion for removal of the governor, His Excellency Nyaribo, from office of county governor, Nyamira County, pursuant to Article 181, 1A, B, and C of the Constitution of Kenya, 2010, Section 33 of the County Government Act, 2012, and the Nyamira Standing Orders, number 62. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I beg to table the notice of motion. I therefore table.
Of this financial year. So welcome, honorable members. Next order.
Messages.